This how to 1 minute will show you how to turn off comments notifications in WordPress. By default, whenever visitors comment on your post, you will get notifications for the comment. To turn off comment notifications, log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on settings and click on discussions. And once you are in discussion settings page, scroll down and here you will get this section, email me. Whenever anyone posts a comment is held for moderation. So to turn off comment notification, you have to deselect both of these and then scroll down and click on save changes, and now on you won't get any notifications for comments. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.